Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make multivitamin juice. First, select a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables such as leafy greens, citrus, and root vegetables. Aim for a mix that provides a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Wash all your produce meticulously to remove any dirt or pesticides. Having a good quality juicer or a powerful blender is essential for extracting the most nutrients from your ingredients. Now, let's prepare your ingredients. For items like oranges or carrots, peel the outer skin if it's tough or bitter. Next, chop larger fruits and vegetables into pieces that fit easily into your juicer's chute or blender. Remember to remove any seeds or pits from fruits such as apples, peaches, or plums to ensure a smooth and safe juice. This step makes the blending process much more efficient. It's time to extract that goodness. If using a juicer, feed your prepared produce through, collecting the vibrant juice. For blenders, add a small amount of filtered water, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 cup, to help achieve a smooth consistency. Blend until completely liquefied. For a pulp-free experience, pour your blended mixture through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag, pressing out all the liquid. Your homemade multivitamin juice is ready. For maximum nutritional benefit, it's best to enjoy your juice right away. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours to maintain freshness. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Experiment with different fruit and vegetable combinations to discover your favorite flavors and nutrient boosts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.